trend. 12:30 global market opens, candle indicates in that direction. 13:30 market moves towards day trend. 15 trader square of position and market moves against day trend and towards global market directions. 15:20 close and bull position and hedge as per trend and global market direction. Change out of money into in the money at cheap price. Australian Security Exchange 5:30 AM to 11:30 AM. Japan Exchange Group 5:30 AM to 11:30 AM. South Korea KRX Korean Exchange 5:30 AM to 11:30 AM. Taiwan Stock Exchange 6:30 AM to 11 AM. Hong Kong Stock Exchange 6:45 AM to 1:30 PM. China Shanghai Stock Exchange 7 AM to 12:30 AM. China Shenzhen Stock Exchange 7 AM to 12:30 PM. India NSE and BSE 9:50 AM to 3:30 PM. European Union Euronext 12:30 PM to 9 PM. German Deutsche Börse 12:30 PM to 2:30 AM. UK London Stock Exchange 1:30 PM to 10 PM. Switzerland Swiss Exchange 1:30 PM to 10 PM. Spain BME Spanish Exchange 1:30 PM to 10 PM. US Nasdaq 7 PM to 1:30 AM. US NYSE 7 PM to 1:30 AM. Canada TMX Group 8 PM to 2:30 AM. Option trading strategies. Serial number, strategy level, market view, risk reward. 1 long call beginners bullish limited unlimited. 2 short call neck call advanced bearish UL. 3 long put BE BU LU. 4 short put BE BE UL. 5 bull call spread B BU LL. 6 bull put spread advance BU LL. 7 synthetic call B BU LU. 8 covered call A BU UL. 9 long combo A BU UU. 10 caller A BU LL. 11 bear call spread B LL. 12 bear put spread A B LL. 13 protective call synthetic long put B LU. 14 covered put merit put A B UL. 15 long buy straddle B neutral LU. 16 short sell net straddle AN UL. 17 long buy straddle B N LU. 18 short sell strangle AN UL. 19 long call butterfly AN LL. 20 short call butterfly AN LL. 21 long condor long call condor AN LL. 22 short call condor A volatile LL. 23 box spread arbitrage AN non L. 24 short box arbitrage ANNL. 25 covered strangle ABULL. Rule 1, try to make your entry difficult so that you can exit your trade easily. Rule 2, decide exit before entry. Rule 3, strategy limit at any point of time. Do not try to execute 2-3 strategies. Rule 4, manage your funds wisely. Rule 5, do not trade with borrowed funds. Rule 6, don't overtrade. Rule 6, don't overtrade. Rule 7, follow strict stop loss and target levels. Rule 8, never panic. Rule 9, be patient. Rule 10, stay updated. Rule 10, stay updated. 11, don't buy deep of the money OTM option just because it is cheap. 12, time work against the buyer of the option and in favor of the seller of the option. Hence, close to expiry, it is not very good idea to buy option. 13, volatility is one of the essential factors to determine the value of an option, so it is generally advised to buy options when market volatility is expected to increase and sell options when volatility expected to decrease. 14, ahead of major events or key geopolitical risk, it is always better to be on the buy option rather than to sell option. 15, keep booking profit at regular intervals or just keep trailing stop loss of profits. 16, never hold position overnight without plan, because I lost 3 lakh due to premium decay, especially on 25 July 23 when I was holding 650 call and added 300 call. US market was positive, market was going up slowly, but premium was going down due to volatility index was going down. I cut my position 100 point down in fear of going more down. I face a huge loss due to this trade. Market recover and close flat. Next day market gone up because volatility index was down and US market was positive, but I could not trade and miss the good opportunity. 17, calculate option premium of 4 strike price of call and put from at the money, but one lot of call at bottom or one lot of put in high, and add one lot after each 10 point. 18, combination of profit loss out of money at the money in the money trade to recover loss of each trade one by one with hedge trade of 100 points out of money. 19, keep buying 100 quantities after changing a 10 point 1 minute red candle. Always keep 500 quantities of 100 points in the money. increase quantity for trading if the environment is favorable and momentum is as per plan. 20 scalping strategy, start buying 100 points in the money put at least 5 days earlier to expiry, 10 point near to resistance in the morning on the high, and take out extra quantity after covering loss in day as soon as possible, 10 point near to support. 21 always keep 100 point in the money put by shifting position as per momentum, and take advantage of premium decay if nifty moves upside. 22 chant market mantra and read this plan several times during the market to know which plan is not being followed. 23 most important rule, keep shifting your trade near to ATM and book loss from trade which is not near to ATM. Shift to next expiry after expiry. 24 zero to hero strategy works with a small price near at the money and expiry. 25 benefit 1, money cannot become zero if it's not an expiry day, but your amount can be raised as much as the opportunity. 28 on 19th July 2023, Nifty 19650 price 2 time came from raise 15 to 20, but I could not sell at 20 and it's closed at raise 7. 27, so it can be trade as we were doing in HDFC Bank, RBL Bank and Yes Bank. Buy in dip and sell on high. 28, biggest mistake of the day was not hedging to 2:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. And 9:50 a.m. 29, second, I could not buy or sell a cheap put or call when the market was going given an opportunity. 30, bull call spread, bull put spread, bear call spread, bear put spread, to start learning and practicing hedging. 31, trend change with weekly candle color. Market become volatile when candle color change. First reversal always give a bounce back by the waiting trader. Time to buy and sell between 2:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. to avoid a premium decay. Always trade towards trend. 32, four type of market. 1 up, plan 1, 2 down, plan 2, 3 outbreak and volatile, plan 3, 4 range bound, avoid trade, fast change, plan 1 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 2. 33, always keep at the money and out the money for hedging opposite side of trade only. But I face loss of 60,000 by losing all hedge amount. 34, so sell out of the money trade, book loss on the same day, buy the same quantity or only some extra share of the money. Due to this mistake, I face loss of 1 lakh. Most of the time I lose money by buying out of money premium and it's gone zero. So most of the time I lose my money. 35, if you keep a big quantity, then hedge with 100 to 200 point out of money. 35. If you keep a big quantity, then hedge with 100 to 200 point out of money. Buy in the evening and sell in the morning after momentum to avoid premium decay. Gmail, Mstock chart, WhatsApp, stock edge, equity market, global stock, money control, invest.in, and Telegram is also essential to join anyone for trick. Fund transfer reports, fund summary, ledger, e-margin ledger, PL reports, trade history, contract notes, mutual fund reports, markets, news, products, mutual fund, IPO, tools, basket, set alerts, setting, refer and earn, help. Menu, dashboard, watch list, order, position, portfolio, fund, mutual fund, Nifty, Bank Nifty, checklist, total assets, equity, mutual fund, cash, key index, global index, FII and DIIs, yesterday, month, year, popular stocks, gainer, loser, by volume, by value, watch list, symbol, LTP, volume, open, high, low, previous close, upper circuit, lower circuit, orders, pending, executed, GTT, symbol, status, quantity, lots, LTP, order price, trigger price, position, total profit and loss, realized profit and loss, unrealized profit and loss, symbol, quantity, lots, LTP, net average, net profit and loss. You have no position today, position related queries, happy to help. Portfolio, total assets, current value, cash, add fund, assets, invested value, current value, overall profit and loss, day profit and loss, no hedge available, add hedging, holding, no holdings available, add holdings, funds, add fund, withdraw fund, transaction available to trade, transfer via UPI, net banking, transfer from, add amount, add funds, mutual fund, mutual funds, running SIPs, reports, portfolio, investment, invested value, current value, overall profit loss, day profit loss. Start an SIP, monthly investment to compound your wealth over time. Invest in lump sum, make your surplus capital work harder for you. Equity, debt, hybrid, ELSS. Curated categories. Fund with best returns, top fund basis 3-year returns, top rated funds, top funds basis value research rating, equity funds generating superior returns, tax saver funds, best ELSS scheme for tax saving, ATC better than FDs scheme passing bank FD returns, NAV minimum SIP amount, value research, 1-year return, 3-year return, 5-year return, lump sum SIP. Better than FDs scheme surpassing bank FD returns, top AMC, best scheme from top rated AMCs. Now NAV minimum SIP amount, value research, 1-year return, 3-year return, 5-year return, lump sum SIP. New funds offers NFOs, ongoing, upcoming. Nifty 1-minute, line, bar, indicators, template. Chat setting, symbol, status line, scale, appearance, color bar based on previous close, body, border, week, last price line, previous day, close price line, high and low price line, precision, default, time zone, template, cancel, OK. Indicators, accumulation, distribution, accumulative swing index, advanced decline, Arnold, Legux, moving average, Arnoon, average directional index, average price, average true range, awesome oscillator, balance of power, Blinger bond, percent B, Blinger bonds width, chicken money flow. Indicators, chicken money flow, chicken oscillator, chicken volatility, chicken crawl stop, chained momentum oscillator, chant momentum oscillator, chop zone, choppiness index, commodity channel index, Connor's RSI, Chopex curve, correlation log, correlation coefficient, detrended price oscillator, directional momentum, Donchain channels, indicators, Donchain channels, double EMA, erosion of momentum, Ilder's force index, EMA cross, envelopes, Fisher transform, Guppy multiple moving average, historical volatility, Hull moving average, Ichimoku cloud, Keltner channels, Klinger oscillator, no sure timing thing, last squares moving average, linear regression curve, indicators, linear regression curve, linear regression slope, MA cross, MA with EMA cross, MACD, majority rule, mass index, MC, Ginley dynamic, media price, momentum, money flow index, moving average, adaptive, moving average channel, moving average double, moving average exponential, moving average Hamming, moving average multiple, moving average triple, moving average weighted, net volume on balance volume, net volume on balance volume, parabolic SAR, pivot point standard, price channel, price oscillator, price volume trend, rate of change ratio, relative strength index, relative vigor index, relative volatility index, SMI, ergodic indicator oscillator, smoothed moving average, spread, standard deviation, standard error bonds, stochastic RSI, super trend strength index, triple EMA, trix true strength index, typical price, ultimate oscillator, volatility close to close, volatility index, volatility OHLC, volatility 0, trend close to close, volume oscillator, volume profile fixed range, volume profile visible range, vortex indicator, VWAP, VWMA, volatility close to close, volatility index, volatility OHLC, volatility 0, trend close to close, volume oscillator, volume profile fixed range, volume profile visible range, vortex indicator, VWAP, VWMA, Williams %R, Williams alligator, Williams fractal, zigzag. Symbol search Nifty, symbol description equity NSE, symbol description type exchange, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, algorithm trading analysis, type of stock analysis. Earlier FII and DI was investing on the basis of fundamental analysis. Now they are investing on the basis of algorithm analysis or algorithm trading. So we need to study deeply algorithm trading analysis. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, algorithm trading analysis, type of stock analysis, one fundamental analysis, earning per share EPS, price to earning ratio PE, price to earning growth ratio PEG, price to book ratio PB, return on equity ROE, dividend payout ratio. To technical analysis, the market know it all. Price follows a trend. History is likely to be repeated. Stock analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, macroeconomic, microeconomic, sentimental analysis, technical analysis, price action, volume. Difference: fundamental analysis, one time consuming, two study of cause, three intrinsic value, three intrinsic value, extrinsic value, out of the money, intrinsic value, time value, intrinsic value, real value, extrinsic value, time value. Four include economic, industry and company analysis. 5 applied for new market under study. Technical analysis, 1 quick study, 2 study of effect, 3 study of charts, 4 price, volume and open interest analysis, 5 can be applied to any market and instrument. What are the different types of forex trading strategies? Trend trading, range trading, momentum trading, swing trading, breakout trading, retracement trading, reversal trading, position trading, pivot point trading. Different types, 9 different types of forex trading strategy you should know. Charts, patterns, cheat sheet. Bullish flag, bearish flag, bullish panel, pennant, bearish pennant, ascending triangle, descending triangle, bullish channel, bearish channel. Cup with handle, symmetrical, triangle, rectangle. We need to find the name of this. Continuation pattern. C is continuation pattern, R is reversal pattern, N is neutral pattern. C continuation pattern. Make a consolidation phase in the current trend. R reversal pattern points to a trend reversal, and natural pattern, a move in either direction is possible. Cup with handle, symmetric triangle, rectangle, double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, diamond top, rounding bottom, falling wedge, rising wedge, triple top, triple bottom, bump and run, megaphone. Introduction: what is candlestick pattern, bullish candlestick patterns, bearish candlestick patterns, reversal candlestick patterns, continuation candlestick patterns, the candlestick patterns cheat sheet, the next step. What is candlestick patterns? Line charts, OHLC charts, candlestick charts, Renko charts, point and figure charts, etc. High, open, close, low, upper shadow, weak, candlestick body, lower shadow wicks, low, open, close, high, low, open, close, high. Hammer, bullish, engulfing, piercing line, inverted hammer, morning star, bullish, separating lines, bullish, mat hold, 3 stars in the south, dumpling top, morning doji star, bullish, bullish harami, bullish, engulfing cross, bullish, belt hold, 3 white shoulders, bullish, 3 line strike, bullish, meeting line, tripod bottom, tower bottom, bullish, kicking, strike sandwich, upside Truki gap, upside Tasuki gap, upside Tasuki gap, bullish, side by side with lines, rising 3 methods, candlestick patterns, bullish, neutral, bearish. Bullish, single candle patterns, hammer, inverted hammer, dragonfly doji, bullish, spinning top, double candle pattern, bullish kicker, bullish engulfing, placing line, bullish harami, tweezer bottom, triple candle pattern, morning doji star, 3 white shoulders, bullish engulfing sandwich, bullish abundant baby, morning star, rising 3, neutral, spinning top, doji, harami, maru boju, understanding candle, weak body, weak, low, open, close, high, high, open, close, low, weak body, weak, bearish, single candle patterns, bearish, single candle patterns, hanging man, shooting star, gravestone doji, bearish, spinning top, double candle pattern, bearish engulfing, bearish kicker, dark cloud cover, bearish harami, tweezer top, triple candle patterns, falling 3, bullish engulfing sandwich, engulfing sandwich, bullish engulfing sandwich, 3, black cross, evening doji stars, bearish abandoned baby, evening star. Bullish candlestick patterns, hammer, bullish engulfing, piercing line, inverted hammer, a morning star, bullish separating lines, bullish mat hold, 3 star in the south, dumping top, morning doji star, bullish harami, bullish engulfing cross, bullish belt hold, 3 white shoulders, bullish 3 line strike, bullish meeting line, fry pit bottom, tower bottom, bullish kicking stick sandwich, upside to Tasuki gap, bullish side by side white lines, rising 3 methods. Bearish candlestick patterns, hanging man, bearish engulfing, bearish piercing line, shooting star, evening doji star, bearish harami, bearish belt hold, upside gap 2 cross, bearish harami cross, 3 black cross, bearish meeting line, dumping top, tower top, advance block, bearish breakaway, bearish kicking, downside Tasuki gap, falling 3 methods, bearish mat hold, bearish 3 line strike, bearish separating line, thrusting line, thrusting line. Reversal candlestick patterns, hammer, hanging man, bullish bearish engulfing, piercing line, dark cloud, inverted hammer, shooting star, bullish bearish kicking stick sandwich, morning star, evening star, morning doji star, evening doji star, bullish bearish harami, advance block, dumping top, bearish breaking way, bullish bearish belt hold, upside gap 2 cross, 3 white shoulders, 3 black crows, bullish bearish meeting line, a tower bottom, tower top, 3 stars in the south, fry pit bottom, dumping top, bullish bearish engulfing cross, continuation of candlestick patterns, upside downside Tasuki gap, bearish bullish side by side, white lines, rising falling 3 methods, bullish bearish mat hold, bullish bearish 3 line strike, trusting line, bullish bearish separating line. Factors affecting premium of the option. Factors affecting premium of the option: underlying security price, option strike price, time to expiration, interest rate, dividend, volatility. Twelve factors that affecting the Indian stock market: government policy, monetary policy of RBI and regulatory policy of SEBI, exchange rates, interest rate and inflation, foreign institutional investors FIIs and domestic institutional investor DIIs, politics, natural disasters, economic number, gold price and bonds, crude oil price, supply and demand, investor sentiments. Factors that affecting stock market price: news, trends, liquidity, inflation, market sentiments, unemployment, incidental transactions, trade wars, GDP, interest rate, supply and demand in stock market. This is fundamental video for our stock market family business. This is fundamental video for our stock market fundamental business. So everybody need to watch this video daily.